In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sound like Goku using Elevenlabs. If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z and have always wanted to mimic that iconic Saiyan voice in your own projects, you're definitely in the right place. I'll be walking you through each step to capture the essence of Goku's voice and get that perfect sound using some fantastic tools available on Elevenlabs. To start off, head over to the Elevenlabs website. If you haven't visited Elevenlabs before, it's an excellent platform that offers a range of AI-driven tools. Their primary focus is on text-to-speech functions, which we'll be using today to recreate that unique Goku voice. Once you're on the website, look for the text-to-speech option. This is where the magic begins. You'll see that Elevenlabs provides an intuitive interface, making it user-friendly, even for beginners. Next, navigate to the Voices tab. Here, you get the exciting opportunity to create a brand new voice. This feature is pivotal because it allows you to configure a custom voice closely resembling the character you're aiming for. Begin by creating a new voice profile and get ready to jump into some creative tweaks. The key to getting that perfect Goku sound is in the settings. Think about Goku's voice. It's energetic, full of vigor, yet friendly and warm. You'll need to play around with tone and pitch until you find that perfect balance. Spend some time adjusting these settings. Don't hesitate to experiment with different configurations until you strike a tone that resonates with the Goku personality. Once you have a foundational voice crafted, it's time to fine-tune it with text prompts. Input phrases that are typical of Goku's personality and dialogue so you can really listen to how the voice performs with actual speech patterns. This step is crucial as it lets you work out any remaining quirks in the voice's cadence and pronunciation, aligning them more closely with Goku's distinctive delivery. Now, if you've got access to it, there's the voice cloning option. This feature can take your custom voice even closer to the mark by allowing you to clone aspects of Goku's voice as heard in audio samples. Remember though, this option might not be available to everyone, so it's a step you might skip if needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with the Goku voice you've crafted, go ahead and generate the audio. You'll have the option to download this, which is perfect for incorporating into any project you're working on, be it a parody, video narration, or just for fun. And there you have it. You've now learned how to sound like Goku using Elevenlabs. With a bit of practice, your voiceovers will soon resonate with the powerful tones of everyone's favorite Saiyan. Have fun bringing Goku to life with your new voice skills.